I mean, $100 million as a signing bonus sounds kind of crazy, although there's a lot at stake, right? If you are able to be that company that pulls off artificial general intelligence because you got some super smart team that's able to do it, then yeah, that is a $1 trillion team, or that's at least a $10 billion team. So why wouldn't you pay the people on that team insane amounts of money? What does that speak to for us as black people? Well, to me, what that says is intelligent black people are going to be talking to their children about becoming AI experts. Um, College grads, most of them are not getting jobs because companies are using AI to replace lower level functionality in the organization. They're getting rid of all the busy work, and they're like, well, a robot can do that. Why would I pay you? And I know this because I know people who run companies and I know what they're talking about. And so in my view, if I'm talking to our kids, which I am, I'm telling them I would encourage you to really become familiar with the tools of AI. And in fact, when you leave college, because you're black, you're not white, and so your network is already not what it would be if you were white. I would encourage you to learn AI, maybe start a little business where you can help business owners implement AI into their organization. That to me is a straightforward type of business that your children can create. And also, given that AI experts are getting $100 million signing bonuses from Facebook, that to me would say that if I'm in school and I'm studying something scientific, I'm studying engineering, I'm studying mathematics, I'm studying statistics, I'm studying even something like accounting. Accountants are really smart, by the way. I love my accountant. She's so smart. Um, then maybe I pivot. I pivot and I gain an extreme set of capabilities as it pertains to AI agents, bots, stuff like that, like how to set these systems up. And so I learned how to use all the different platforms, N8N and Mind Studio and all these other things that are being used to create these agents. And then I go and I become one of these experts. Now, I may not get the $100 million signing bonus, which I haven't seen anybody get a bonus that big. So I'm kind of wondering if that's just a big headline number. But maybe I get a $5 million signing bonus. Maybe you get a $1 million signing bonus, right? I would argue that becoming an expert at AI is that right now to me is the career of choice for if I'm young, if I'm trying to make myself really valuable in the job market, that's what I do. I feel sorry for all my black friends on LinkedIn who are part of the slaughter that's happening right now of white collar jobs that are being eliminated by artificial intelligence. It is absolutely insane. It's going to be a bloodbath. It's already a bloodbath. If you are in any field related to things like DEI, you've seen the bloodbath. If you have a government job, you've seen the bloodbath. Now, artificial intelligence is coming. That's a triple bloodbath. So, pivoting is essential. Learning additional skills is essential. Investing is essential.